So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to go about investing in mutual fund, and it's going to be a practical video. I'll be investing 10,000 naira for you to see how I go about investing in mutual fund. It's that easy. You can get started investing in mutual fund. So what's mutual fund all about? For some persons that are not really too good at investing or picking some companies that they want to invest in, mutual fund is the right option because a mutual fund is a basket of other stock. So a mutual fund holds so many stocks there, so you don't really need to diversify. A mutual fund does the diversification for you. So a mutual fund can get like 10 stock or 15 stock in that basket, and you once you invest, you get a fraction of all those stock. Now in Nigeria, there's an app called Optimus by Afrinvest. That's the app you'll be using to invest in mutual fund. To those out there that don't really know how to pick a stock, this might be the right option for you to go ahead investing in the stock market, but not just picking a stock. Now you're investing in a collection of stocks. So how do we go about investing in mutual fund? Let's go into the practical aspects of today's video. So once you are done creating your Optimus account, this is what the interface will look like. You are seeing all that there. Then you have to fund your wallet. So you click on wallet, and once you click on wallet, you see where to fund your wallet. Now you can just see that I just funded my wallet to just 10,200 naira. So for any charges that it will inquire. So let's click on the home button again, and now you come down and you see mutual funds. So once you click on mutual funds, you see Nigerian mutual funds. You click on that also. You come down to explore Nigerian mutual fund. Now you can read all through this. Mutual fund is an investment type that enable you to own a mixture of stock, bonds, and other financial institutions and all that. So you can click on explore Naira mutual funds. Once you click on that, it will take some time for it to load, and once it's loaded, you then click on, now there are 3 mutual funds available on Optimus by Afrinvest at the moment, but I want to go with the first one. That's Afrinvest Equity Fund. Clicking on that, now I'll be seeing some information about this mutual fund, and you can see that the equity fund has a return of 25.31%, and it has gained a total of 83.54% in the last 12 months. So you can see that the minimum holding period is 30 days, and minimum amount you can invest is 1,000 naira. You can see all that. So I'll click on invest now. So once I click on invest now, they're asking me to put the amount. Let me put 10,000 naira. So I'm getting 25.75 units of the mutual fund. So how often do I want to invest? I'll just click on just this one. So select funding source. Sorry, I should not click on select funding source because of my balance is already there. So I'll click on continue. So I have to click on select funding source now. So I'm clicking on my Naira wallet. I'll click on Naira wallet, then I would then click on preview funds. Now this is the preview of the fund. These are the amount I'm buying it, 388 naira for one fund. So that's the price of the units for this mutual fund. So I'm getting about 24 to 27 units of the coin. So reinvest my dividend and more, purchase additional. So if I want to reinvest my dividend, that's the amount, that's what I would see there. If I want to reinvest my dividend, that's your interest, you want to reinvest it. So I'll click on create mutual fund to accept the terms and condition, then create mutual fund. You can see all the information, terms and condition. I'll click on got it. So it's going to load for some minutes. You can see that you've successfully submitted a request to buy mutual fund. Your request will be processed within 24 to 48 working hours. So I'll just click on view plan. So once I click on that, I would be able to view the mutual funds once it's approved. So you can see all that, all the information about the mutual fund that I need. So you can see that I can sell off the mutual funds, or I can buy off the mutual funds. Like I can sell, I can buy more. So that's one great thing about a mutual fund. So once it increases, I can quickly sell off and make some profit. But the minimum holding time I can hold this mutual fund is 30 days. So if it's less than 30 days, I will not be able to sell off. But once I've seen that I've gotten some profit, I can sell off and get my interest. So you can see all that. I can auto invest. Then it's reinvesting my dividend. Any dividend I've gotten, it's reinvesting it. Now so there are some stock that pays you dividend. So once you get your dividend, they reinvest it. So that's how to go about investing in mutual fund. Once they accept my mutual fund, it will start counting here. So basically, this is how to go about investing in mutual fund. It's that easy. You can get started doing it. All you have to do is to download the app Optimus by Afrinvest. I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video so you can effortlessly download the app and get started with investing in mutual fund. If you want to invest in the stock market but a daily noble stock to pick, then mutual fund is the best option for you to get started when it comes to investing in the stock market. You can drop your comments in the comment section if you have any question. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Till our next one, peace.